Hey there, welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on how to create FTP account in cPanel in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into cPanel. Just enter your username and password, and you're good to go. Go to the Files section and click on the FTP accounts. After getting into FTP account, click on Login and set the username. Select the domain under which you want to create the user. Set a password, or you can also use the password generator option. Just click on Generator Password and use Password option. Your FTP account will be limited to the directory you mention in this field. You can decide the level of access for the user. The FTP user won't be able to access anything outside the specific directory. You can set the disk space limit or just set it to unlimited. Now you can click on Create FTP Account button. You can get a notification of account created. That's it. This is how you can create FTP account from cPanel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for even more awesome tutorials.